స్టార్ట్ చేయమంటారు. Good morning, children. My name is Alvel Mangamma. I have teacher in English subject. So today we have explained the sixth class students English lesson peace and harmony. Peace and harmony. So the present situation is corona. The present situation is corona effect. కాబట్టి మనం ఇలా ఈ విధంగా ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసెస్ చెప్పుకోవడం జరుగుతుంది. సో స్టూడెంట్స్, ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ కేర్ఫుల్లీ లిసన్ ద లెసన్స్ అండ్ వీడియోస్. ఓకే ఓకే Once upon a time, in a very thick forest, there lived many animals. Once upon a time, ಇದೆ once upon a time in a very thick forest. Thick forest means dense forest. Thick forest means dense forest. So they lived so many animals. They lived in a so many animals. Birds, snakes, and insects. Birds, snakes, and insects. They all live together happily. All animals are living happily. All animals are living happily. They roamed about the jungle. Roamed about the jungle and played together in the open fields without any fear. But don't fear, all our animals are happily playing in the forest. Happily playing in the forest. The peacocks were very proud of their dance but admired the melodious songs of the cuckoos. The cuckoos are the birds. Cuckoos are the birds. The birds are singing very nice. The birds are singing very nice, and the peacocks were dancing with happily. Dancing with happily. The elephants enjoyed watching the fish swimming, and at the same time, the elephant was watching. What did he watching? Fish swimming. Fish swimming. The pythons, which were blessed with long bodies, the pythons were, their bodies was very long. Their bodies were very long. So spoke well of the fire of the flat-footed rabbits. Rabbits were very flat-footed rabbits. The tinny ants. Tinny means small. Tinny means small ants. The tinny ants, which were always busy, was working in busy. The small ants are working in busy. Tickled the dark buffaloes. At the same time, dark buffaloes are stay in the forest. They often held musical evenings in a large open field. Every day, the animals are conducting the musical evenings. The elephant and the deer danced. Which animals are danced in the forest? Elephant and deer. The mynas and the parrots sang. Whose birds are singing in the forest? Mynas and parrots. Mynas and parrots. The tiger and the bear exhibited gymnastics. Gymnastics means physical. Gymnastics means physical exercises. Which animals are explain the gymnastic trips? Which animals? Tiger and bear. Tiger and bear. They called the moon and his friends. They called the moon and his friends. Invited in the musical evenings, all animals are invited to the moon and our friends. Moon and our friends. The stars to be the guest of honor at their musical evenings. Who's the guest of honor in the musical evening? Yeah, musical evening party is Moon and Stars. Moon and Stars. One day, a jackal entered the forest. Which animal was entered the forest? Jackal. Jackal. That is a dangerous animal. It is a cunning animal. Dangerous at the same time, cunning animal. And very cunning too. He told the elephants, but he started and talking to the elephants. What type of talking? You are the biggest animal in the forest. The jackal told to the elephant, he was the biggest animal in the forest. Why do you want to play with the squirrels and the rabbits? Why do you play with the small animals? Huh? You are the biggest animal. But why do you play it in the small animals, rabbits and squirrels? He poisoned the minds of the peacocks, saying, at the same time, he was poisoning. Poisoning means disturbance. Disturbance, disturb in the peacocks also. You are the loveliest bird in the forest. Who is the loveliest bird in the forest? Peacock. So the jackal talked to the peacock, who was the loveliest bird in the forest. Loveliest bird in the forest. So why do you want to praise the miners? Why do you want to commit the miners? Miners are black color. Peacock is the beautiful bird. So, why do you come together in the miners? The jackal asked to the peacocks. The jackal then approached the deer and whispered that the tiger was waiting for a chance to kill them. Waiting for a chance to kill them. The jackal then approached the deer and whispered that the tiger was waiting for a chance to kill them. The jackal going to the deer and telling that the chance given to the tiger was killed to you. Tiger was killed to you. Gradually, all the animals beginning suspecting. Excuse me. So, gradually, all the animals begin suspecting one another. But in the before times, before the jackal entered, the animals are very happy living. But the jackal entered in the forest, the animals are not happy. The animals are not happy. Earlier, they had lived together, slept together, and roamed around the forest together. So, the animals are very fearfulness, and at the same time, they are not combined the works. They are not combined the works, and all animals did not enjoy to the forest. Did not enjoy to the forest. Now they started put up boundaries and build fences around their properties. And all our animals boundaries. Boundaries means giving them some space, and he was stay on that place. Don't move to the other space and other animals to talk with them. They moved about individually or with their own group, and every animal created a own group. One group. Now it was easy for the jackal to hunt the smaller animals and the birds. So this is the chance of jackal. What type of chance? He killed the small animals and birds. And when the smaller ones cried out for help, no one come to help them. But the small animals crying very sadly. But no one big animal did not come and did not help them. One by one, the little ones disappeared. At the same time, the little ones are disappeared. And the forest slept as the animals were afraid. The animals were afraid. And there were no more musical evenings. The moon was sad, he cried. At the same time, uh, before the Jekyll entered, the moon was inviting to the musical evenings. But the Jekyll entered in the forest, no musical evenings. But the moon was very sad. He was feeling very sadly and he was crying. And he was crying. The moon thought for a while and decided to come down among the animals and the birds as a sadhu. And those are animals. And the moon thought for a while and decided to come down among the animals and the birds as a sadhu. The moon was the moon was given to the sadhu, and all our animals to coming to the sadhu. As soon as the sadhu appeared in the forest, the sadhu was came to the forest. The animals and the birds approached him to narrate their tales of woe. Tales of woe means her feelings were sharing. Her feelings were sharing to the sadhu. All animals are feelings. Our feelings are shared to the sadhu. They cried, sobbed, and blamed each other for disturbing the peace in the forest. So all of animals are crying and telling to the this type of incident, and telling to the sadhu, and all our animals are crying. All our animals are crying. The jackal was disturbing in the peace in the forest. And the sadhu listened to them. The sadhu was listened to the all animals except. And the sadhu brought together the lion and the rabbits for a common meal. The sadhu brought together the lions and the rabbits for a common meal. Did not the jackal entered the forest. The lion and rabbit, those are common food. Take the common food. But the jackal entered in the forest. All of animals are disturbing. All of animals are disturbing. He visited the python and the viper and had a long chat with them. He advised the eagle not to attack the little chick that had lost their mother. The small chickens are lost their mother. And the sadhu accompanied the tiger and the wild bear to the nearest market. Wild bear near the market. He played with the bulbul, the owl, and the monkeys. But the sadhu was accompanied the tiger and the wild bear to the nearest market. Those animals are go to the marketplace. Those animals are go to the market. But he did not go to the market, and he played with the bulbul, the owl, and the monkeys. Bulbul and monkeys are playing well, but he did not play. But he did not play. But the jackal was very angry with what the sadhu was doing. The sadhu accompanied to the all animals, and some of the animals gathered and playing. And the jackal very angry to the sadhu. What type of things sadhu doing? He did not want the animals to live in peace and harmony. But the jackal was not happy. Why? Why he was not happy? The animals are all of gathered and come again, and he was playing well. But this condition was uh, this is not interest to the jackal. He did not want the animals to live in peace and harmony. So he was waiting for an opportunity to attack the sadhu. So he was waiting the chance to kill the sadhu. First of all, I have killed to the sadhu. So the animals are disturbing. The animals are disturbing. So the hunting is easy to the jackal. He was planned and he was chance to kill the sadhu. One day, the animals, insects, and birds held an emergency meeting and they unanimously decided to approach the sadhu and pleaded with him to kill the jackal. One day, the animals and insects and birds all to gathering and meeting was a emergency meeting and they unanimously decided to approach the sadhu going to sadhu and ask to the all animals to kill the jackal the sadhu said but sadhu said I will not kill the jackal but will help you in a different way don't kill the jackal but different type of methods we used them different type of method we used them when the sun went to sleep the jackal came to the house of the hens to take a few of them for his supper when the sun went to the sleep the sun went to sleep the sun went to sleep the night time the jackal was entered to the hen's house the jackal was entered to the hen's house and take some chicks. Some chicks is dinner, supper, not dinner. The sadhu who had been lodging nearby came out of the house and spoke to the jackal. Take me today for your meal. The sadhu who had been lodging nearby the hen house, the near to the strange sadhu. The sadhu told to the jackal, today you take me, today you take me for your meal. Take me today for your meal. The jackal, who had been waiting for this opportunity, the jackal was very this chance. He was waiting for this chance to kill the sadhu. To kill the sadhu. Dragged the sadhu and ran into the jungle. He took the sadhu to a lonely place, tore him into pieces and ate him up. And he was dragged to the sadhu and he ran into the jungle. He took the sadhu to a lonely place and he was taking to the sadhu lonely place and he ate them up. Eat and eat to the pieces of parts to the sadhu body. And the animals were very sad, angry, and disappointed with what had happened to the sadhu. But the animals did not know something happened. Where is sadhu? Where is sadhu? But all our animals are very sad and at the same time was feeling very angry and disappointed. They were afraid that the hungry jackal would appear again the next day. Next day, the jackal was very hungry, very hungry, was come to the forest. Then they heard a strange noise. Then they heard a strange noise. All of them ran in that direction. All our animals, whose that noise is in the forest, whose that noise is, all animals are come to that direction. What they saw surprised them. Amazing, surprise, wonder. But they saw the stomach of the jackal growing bigger and bigger. That noise is come from the stomach of jackal. The stomach of jackal. It continued to bloat until it burst, burst, burst. Then they heard a soft voice, a soft voice. May my animals birds and insects live in peace and harmony. The voice is uh, uh, hearing the words. What type of words? Hearing that noise. May my animals, birds and insects, all are animals, birds, insects to live happily and peaceful manner. To live happily and peaceful manner. May there be no fences around you. Don't fences in your surrounding things. Surrounding things. May you sing and dance once again. All of you dance and singing. All of you dance and singing again. Remember me and be not afraid. So we are all celebrate and that moment. You remember me. You remember me. Who's that me in the sentence? The sadhu. Who's that me in the sentence? The sadhu. That voice is sadhu. When they looked up at the sky, they saw the moon shining brilliantly, spreading milky brightness over the earth. So that day, moon is very bright and he was shining brightly and spreading the milky brightness over the earth. The animals once again started to roam, sing, and sleep in peace. And at the same time, all our animals gathered and roaming, and all animals are celebrating in the musical evenings. They broke it down the fence which they had built, and the fences are not in the forest. They invited the moon and the stars for their cultural evenings. At the same time, the first time he invited to the moons and stars at the same that manner coming to the sadhu. And sadhu was that noise is sadhu hearing the words. Who's killed the sadhu? Jekyll. Jekyll was killed the sadhu. So he ate the sadhu. So her voice was heard to some words, and all our animals living happily. And at the same time, he started in the peaceful manner and happy living. And at the same time, he enjoyed the musical evenings. And he invited to the moons and stars. So that is the story. Okay, students, do you understand this lesson? Okay, in this lesson, some of the words in hard words in your lesson. So, I will take that hard words tomorrow on my class.